Hey there, this is Erica from Highland Hickory Designs, and today I'm going to show you how to create this pretty stitch combination. And this combination I used in my creamsicle wrap pattern, and at the end of this video I'll throw in some pictures so that you can see what that looks like. And it makes such a light and lacy fabric that it would work perfectly for beach cover-ups, and you could even make blankets, scarves, anything you'd like with this stitch combination. This is the front, and this is the back. And if we turned it on its side, it would look like this. So this is a 4-row repeat, and in this demonstration I used Baby Bee Sweet Delight and Baby's Blue. This is a size 3 yarn and an H8 5mm crochet hook. And if you'd like to see the written pattern for the creamsicle wrap, it'll be in the description box below, along with all the information on all the supplies that I used for today. So let's get started. For this stitch combination, you need a starting chain of a multiple of 8 plus 2. So we're going to start out with 24 plus 2 to get 26. So if at any time I'm going too fast or too slow, the instructions to speed up or slow down a video are in the description box below. Or you could always just pause if you're crocheting along with me to catch up. For row 1, in the second chain from the hook, we're going to single crochet, chain 3, skip 3 chains, and we're going to work a 3 double crochet cluster in this chain right here. So yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull back through, yarn over, draw through 2 loops, yarn over, insert your hook back in the stitch, yarn over, pull back through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. You now have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, insert your hook back in the stitch, yarn over and pull back through, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through all 4 loops. So that is a 3 double crochet cluster, and we'll do that again just so you can see how it's done. Now we chain 3, skip 3 chains, and single crochet in the next stitch. And now we'll begin our repeat. Chain 3, skip 3 chains, and work a 3 double crochet cluster into the next chain. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over and pull back through, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, almost like you're going to finish a double crochet, but you don't finish. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over and draw through 2, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over and draw through 2. Now you have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over and draw through all 4 loops. Chain 3, skip 3 chains, single crochet in the next chain, chain 3, skip 3 chains, 3 double crochet cluster, chain 3, skip 3 chains, and in the last chain, a single crochet. That is row 1. For row 2, chain 1, turn our work. Now you're going to single crochet in this first stitch here. Chain 3, skip the chain 3 space, and you're going to single crochet in the top of the 3 double crochet cluster. Chain 3, skip the chain 3 space, single crochet in the top of the next stitch, chain 3, single crochet in the top of the 3 double crochet cluster, chain 3, skip the chain 3 space, single crochet in the next stitch, and you just continue this the whole way down. Skip the chain 3 space, single crochet in the next stitch, chain 3, skip the chain 3 space, and in the last stitch you'll work in the top of the first single crochet from row 1. That's row 2. Row 3, we're going to chain 6, and that counts as a double crochet and a chain 3. You're going to skip the chain 3 space and single crochet in the next stitch. Chain 3, and in this next stitch we're going to work another 3 double crochet cluster. So skip the chain 3 space, and in this stitch work another cluster. Chain 3, skip the chain 3 space, single crochet in the next stitch, chain 3, skip the chain 3 space, and work another double crochet cluster in this stitch. Chain 3, skip the chain 3 space, single crochet in the next stitch, chain 3, and then in this last stitch just work a regular double crochet to finish off the row. That's row 3. See how our 3 double crochet clusters are starting to stagger. For row 4, chain 1, turn your work, single crochet in the first stitch, chain 3, single crochet in the next stitch, chain 3, single crochet in the next stitch, chain 3, single crochet in the next stitch, chain 3, and you just continue this the whole way across. Single crochet in the next stitch, chain 3, single crochet in the next stitch, chain 3, and then a final single crochet. So we have this chain 6 right here. We're going to skip 3 of these chains, 1, 2, 3, and in the 4th chain single crochet. This is the back. This is the front for row 4. For row 5, chain 1, turn your work, single crochet in the first stitch, chain 3, and now we're going to start our 3 double crochet clusters back on the end here. So we'll skip the chain 3 space and work a 3 double crochet cluster here on the end in the next stitch. Chain 3, skip the chain 3 space, single crochet in the next stitch, chain 3, skip the chain 3 space, and now we're going to work another 3 double crochet cluster, chain 3, single crochet in the next stitch, chain 3, another 3 double crochet cluster, chain 3, and in the last stitch a single crochet. And that is it for row 5. And to complete the pattern, all you have to do is repeat rows 2, 3, 4, and 5 to your desired length. And if at any time you're unsure of any row and you just need to see one more row again, I have the timestamps for each row in the description box below. So that's it. That is how you crochet this stitch combination. It's light and lacy and has beautiful detail. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really appreciate you taking the time to finish the entire video. As promised, I'm going to insert the pictures of the creamsicle wrap at the end. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.